Hey, today I thought I'd bring you the video with the help of my sidekick, my friend here, Shirley. Did it? No? Okay. Whatever. Anyways, it's after midnight. It was a long but awesome day. You do want to stay for the video? We can scooch in. And here's what I want to say about leadership today. I ran an obstacle course with a bunch of friends. We dressed up like superheroes and called ourselves Team Random. And this was a 5K with some crazy obstacles, like the ones you see on that show Wipeout. Big blue balls, which we said many times throughout the day because that's just how we are. And foam pits and dodgeballs and things smacking you in the face and hitting you in the head, but all for a good laugh. Now, what I learned today was that it's way more important to assess the actual situation than to execute the original plan. We got there to do a 5K, and we had an 11 a.m. start time, but because of the wave starts and the huge lines and the crazy crowds and a few of us nearly breaking our backs on the big blue ball obstacle, it became very clear that the original plan to run the entire 5K wasn't really such a good idea today. So as the weather got a little colder and we got a little more tired and we'd stood in plenty of lines and done not very much running, we decided that instead of sticking to the original plan and finishing the 5K come hell or high water, we'd call it quits after the third obstacle and go get some pizza and beer. Seemed like a much better use of our time and more true to what was going on in the moment versus what we thought would be going on when we signed up for the race. All in all, we still had an amazing day, tons of laughs, lots of great pictures, and created some really good memories with people that matter to us. So better to ditch the plan and have better memories than to stick with something that when it was originally thought up was a good idea, but in the moment, not so much. So as a leader, learn to be flexible. Let go of the plan when it's not working, assess the current situation, and pick a new course of action that's going to get you somewhere you want to go, not just cold, wet, hungry, tired, and cranky. That's my leadership thought for the day. Hope you go out and make it a good one. Bye-bye.